Hello everybody, today is January 10th, 2017. This video is for Pearl and Bauer's puppy. They are now 7 weeks old. Meadow's got the first puppy. She is the only girl. And her name is what, Meadow?
Opal.
Opal. She's the girl with the most color. Okay, and the next one is going to be a boy with the most color. His name is
Garnet.
Alright. Gently. Okay. And the next one is going to be
Jasper.
Jasper.
No, not you. You're not
That's
Jasper.
okay.
You're not Jasper.
Okay. And there's his colors. And then we have the last one. His name is
Topaz.
Okay, he's the one with the least amount of spots. Okay, and let's see. There's Pearl. Go over there. Oh! Let me see. Oh, puppies. Go over there and call them, Lyndon. See if they'll run. Go on. Okay, well that's it for this week's video. Bye.